SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021 gives the manufacturing floor more automation with expanded stock options, enhanced drill operations, and control over where you're managing your posts. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS CAM enables seamless design to manufacturing, powering your everyday milling and turning. As production scales, you may need to expand your capabilities to include manufacturing. A recent redesign of this sensor mounting bracket is a perfect opportunity to put SOLIDWORKS CAM to work. A default stock bounding box fits perfectly to the finished part. New in SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021, predefined bounding box gives you the ability to represent standard rectangular stock. For example, a 6-inch piece of 6-inch wide, 3/8 inch 60/60 bar. Save, update, and share your go-to sizes through the technology database, even classifying based on material. With automatic feature recognition, you can generate an initial strategy in under a minute. This initial toolpath simulation is looking good. Let's take a look inside the drill operation. New in 2021, you can define PEC parameters with respect to tool diameter or flute length. More control of point-to-point operations like drilling lets me capture best practices robustly. Of course, the technology database stores how you want to do it in the shop, and that means your preferences become the next defaults. As it turns out, there's a supply on hand of 8-inch wide bar. I will make the changes and save that predefined stock to my TechDB. In 2021, a new prompt for rebuild is presented when the stock is modified. Everything from my coordinate system feature to the thread operation needed to rebuild, and you're more aware of exactly what's updating in your program. Speaking of updates, how about swapping in round material instead? New in 2021, cylindrical stock is generated automatically. CAM will fit a minimum diameter and thickness, and with a few changes I can see what this program looks like with 8-inch aluminum. If you share posts between programmers, no one need be hunting around their C drive. A new setting in the TechDB for 2021 provides the option to specify a default post folder. Pretty handy to keep you updated when folder locations change. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021 gives your manufacturing floor more automation with expanded stock options, enhanced drill operations, and control over where you're managing your posts. Be sure and explore how SOLIDWORKS CAM can power your everyday milling and turning.